Prime Minister Holness, Minister Tufton, we do not expect perfection from you, but we do expect progress. It has been almost a year since Jodian Ferron died on the floor of one of our hospitals. And nearly a year later, another young woman, Jalissa McGowan, died in a waiting room in one of our hospitals under similar circumstances. We couldn't find beds, and we couldn't find human resource and the material resource to provide them with the quality of care they needed. It is time that we make progress on this. Not one more Jamaican must die because we are failing to make progress. So let us be precise. Do not commit to an investigation and a meeting. Commit to delivering results. What is the deficit of beds, personnel, and other equipment in our hospitals? What is your timeline to source this? What is your strategy and what is the budget? Because we need progress.